Alright, welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. With this whole thing, boy, may I tell you, it's like Bogle Spirit will not let them rest. But this is not about Bogle. This is more having to do with a brother named Don Mafia, a dancehall reggae artist named Don Mafia, who in today's times, many might not know about Don Mafia. And quite honestly, I didn't know about Don Mafia either until this whole spiel here now about him coming out and saying a whole bunch of things about Beenie Man, which is what I am going to talk about right now. Everything that Don Mafia said. Because some people have it out there saying that Don Mafia said Beenie Man is guilty of Bogle's death and all these things, or murder. And that's not what he quite said, but he did say a bunch of other things. Now you have to understand, this is a person that was very, very close to Beenie Man. So his words do hold some weight. Alright, so first of all, Don Mafia took to the stage to address the whole Beenie Man being guilty of Bogle's murder in any way or involved in any way. And he refuted that. He said no, him don't believe that Beenie could have ever do a thing like that. On the other hand, he does have some issues with Beenie Man himself. He went on to list a list of songs that were very popular for Beenie Man, chart toppers for Beenie Man throughout Beenie Man's career. He went on to tell how after Bogle died, he was getting calls from overseas, New York to be specific, where certain man call him and say, yo, them want bust Beenie Man head basically because the whole street want him for Bogle because they believe that he has something to do with it. And he himself, Don Mafia, was saying, see, music can change this. So he tell an elaborate story about how he came up with hit songs for Beenie Man during that time, and the songs pretty much saved his career and saved him as a person, right? Now, with that, he also went on to talk, though, hold on, ride with the story, because this gets deep, because there are accusations here of threats being made to take his life, to take Don Mafia's life by the same Beenie Man. But we're going to talk about that a little later. Watch this. So, Don Mafia said he was rolling with Beenie Man at the time and them close like brothers. Even to this day. You see me? I'm not getting in between nobody thing, because the way how he professed his brotherly love for Beenie Man. When two lovers are fight, them say don't go in and mingle because the two of them will turn around and fight you. So, not to use that talk and talk about two lovers and a two man. But I'm just saying, it's the same thing for two brothers. When you see two brothers fighting, you don't jump in the middle, or two sisters, you don't jump in the middle and take sides, because somewhere down the line, because of their history, them are going to have a make-up day. And when they make up, they might make up and then turn on you, right? So anyways, he talked about how Beenie Man had hits after hits after hits. And this guy is either him sit down and study Beenie Man song them and know all the words, or he actually really did write these songs. But he is able to sing these songs word for word. And song after song after song. The claim is that he wrote them. Money was coming in. Him say all one time Beenie make 100 million. Him don't get $1. And he's rolling with Beenie Man. And him I said that's where he started to carry feelings at, because he was saying like, yo, me round you all the time, me not sweat the money thing. I'm making these songs for you. You love the way me write. He even told that Shocking Vibes, the studio, around that time would be on stall. Like nothing move until Don Mafia come through, because Beenie just trusted his writing skills that much and wanted him to be there to write for him. So he's saying Beenie made a whole bunch of money, never give him none, and he got tired of it. Him say, basically in his words, you want man drive around your Beamer. He's talking about Beenie Man wanted him to drive around his Beamer so him can call you and talk about, yo, why you there with my Beamer? Come pick me up here, so that's so. Like some little do boy kind of thing. And he wasn't into that. He must say, me a big man, me want my own thing. Me want my legacy in a music. And music me come for do. I don't want to just be a work of a Beenie Man or known as somebody that hang around somebody famous. Right? He has the skills and the abilities to do it. He wanted to do it himself. In other words then, he must say, him friend Beenie Man, who is a brother to him, like a brother to him, and to this day he holds no grudges against Beenie. And just the money he wants. Some of that royalty money there. He's saying that even to this day, just give me my money, right? We're still not no enemies and I don't wish no bad upon him. But the thing take a turn when he started talking about how him and Beenie Man fell out because he actually used to have to sneak away from Beenie Man's company. Because if Beenie Man in a studio from morning till night, he wanted Don Mafia there from morning till night too. Basically draining his energy then. Taking all his expertise, taking his writing. The man said he would go voice a song and he would leave it unfinished. And by the time he come back the next morning, Beenie Man voice over the same song that he did. And him just say, alright, go on with it, my DJ. And he didn't think nothing of it because the song Run Road, and he did it more than once, and they're in the limelight of things. And him said, trust, since we are do road, you know we are part together, me not make nothing bother me about that still. But to see how he was treated. Eventually, when he separated himself, they started looking for him, and he actually got people telling him, yo, you know, here's to the boss, I look for you. Eventually, some vehicle show up with one bag of money in it at a place where he was supposed to be, but he was not. And the threat was that Beenie Man, I look for you because he want to kill you. So, Don Mafia said he still did not believe it. But he sure as hell believed it because when somebody said, check your message. Somebody else that rolled with them closely said, check your voice note or your voice message. He said, no, he never check it. But when he went and checked it, it was a message, an actual message from Beenie Man. And in that message, this is shortly after Bogle passing out. Remember, Bogle and Beenie Man used to be cool as well. So after Bogle passing out, Don Mafia got this message from Beenie Man saying how him kill him friend them. You hear that? And I'm watching this interview because people have watched the interview. I watched the interview and I said, this could all be made up. This could all be a lie. Me would have to hear that voice note, the inner Beenie Man voice myself. And guess what? The man played the actual voice note in Beenie Man's voice, saying exactly what he said in the interview. Basically threatening the man life, and I make him know, say, yo, me kill my friend them. The man say him kill him friend them, Him kill him friend them when them cross him. So, which had me thinking now, but Bogle and Beenie used to be friends at one point. And then they had a falling out. Yeah? So you kill your friend them will cross you. He said that to Don Mafia. But Mafia also went on to say stuff like Beenie Man could have never pulled a trigger on him personally. Cause him know Beenie too good and Beenie know him too good. You know what I'm saying? It would be some people from around Beenie Man that would have to do that. Some of the yes man them. But it would not be. I want people to understand that one time them kind of talk here, it leaves room for us, the public, to speculate and say, oh, so bad man is around Beenie Man. Killers, they're around him. And then the voice note, they never make anything any better. Right? How you kill your friend them when them cross you. So, that's the big hoopla out there now about Don Mafia and Beenie Man. So, I see a lot of vloggers putting it up saying, me just see the title them, I haven't listened to any of them, how Don Mafia exposes Beenie Man. The most he could have exposed Beenie Man for is threatening to kill him because he's asking for royalties and them no want to pay up no royalties. He also confirmed that yes, Mr. Bogle did write that song, but he only write the hook for the song and the toy friend for our boyfriend, and it was him, Don Mafia, that actually wrote the verses to the song. Boy, the thing gets sticky, you know. The thing gets sticky. I've heard of a lot of artists being killed for royalties or over royalty squabbles. And this seems to be just another one of those things, a big falling out over royalties. So leave your comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this one. I am on the fence. I am neither here nor there, and I don't know nothing. It's SouFLoTV. I'm out. Peace.